Hi guys, it's me Chrissy here. I am back with another video, and today's video, as you can see, is going to be another educational video about crystals. Now, this video is going to be showing you guys how you could sit here and program your crystals so you can receive the benefits from the crystal, okay? Now, first thing first to know, as either a beginner in crystals or not a beginner in crystals, if you don't charge your crystal, if you don't cleanse your crystal, if you don't activate your crystal and program your crystal, guess what? It's not going to give you any type of benefit you're looking for. Your crystal is just going to be sitting there like a rock, and then you're going to be wondering why. Why is nothing happening yet? Why am I not experiencing something yet with my crystal? Why am I not feeling the crystal's energy? Well, that's because you have not made sure that you did the steps before to make sure that the crystal is willing to work with you. So, this is why I'm making this video, to teach you guys how to properly work with your crystals. Now, once you get your crystal, whether it's new or old, one thing you always have to make sure that you're doing when you're working with crystals is definitely cleansing it. And there's different ways that you can sit here and cleanse your crystals. You could either cleanse it through smoke, you could cleanse it through the sun, the moon, the wind, the 4 elements, You could cleanse it by even using selenite. You can even cleanse it by water if your crystal is suitable for water. You can even cleanse it with salt if your crystal is suitable for salt. And the same thing with sun. Not all crystals is allowed to be in the sun for very long. You know what I mean? Because the simple fact, the color will start to fade. So make sure you do your research before you end up charging and cleansing your crystal any type of way. And the best way and safest way I prefer to sit here and cleanse and charge my crystals is either do smoke or just place them right in a selenite bowl and leave them there to charge overnight. Once you sit here and you charge your crystal, what you want to sit here and do is, spend time with the crystal. Let the crystal feel your energy. You know what I mean? Let you and the crystal have a one-on-one session where y'all is infusing each other with energy. And what I mean by that is different ways you could do it. Hold the crystal in your hand just like this, right? Cuff your other hand. You can visualize white light flowing from your crown chakra all the way through your arms. You could even visualize whatever color light you want to use. But just visualize a white light flowing through you and imbuing the crystal that you have in your hand. No matter which one it is. It could be a clear quartz, it could be whatever crystal. Just envision that light going into the crystal. Once you sit here and do that, you're going to take a couple of breaths. Now, this is where the part with, programming your crystal comes in handy. You're going to take the crystal, no matter what crystal it is. I'm using Moonstone because this is a crystal that deals with, our subconscious, our third eye, our intuition, basically our overall psychic abilities. So I'm going to take this crystal and I'm going to place it on my third eye, and I'm going to sit here and say, I charge this crystal, or you can sit here and say, I program this crystal to help me build and become stronger with my intuition or whatever intention you need the crystal to do. Not only do you have to put it on your third eye, but you can also hold it to your chest and say, I program this crystal, or I charge this crystal to do this and that. You can also hold it in the middle of your hand like this and just say, I charge this crystal to sit here and do da, or I program this crystal to do this. You can also sit here and say, Moonstone, I program you, or Moonstone, I charge you. If you feel like it's better to address the crystal's name, including the word I program or I charge. And then to seal your program into it, your attention, to seal it, you would have to make sure that you sit here and say, so it is at the end, and then blow on it. And then right then and there, your crystal's programmed. After you program your crystal, in order to sit here and start to receive the benefits and the energy from the crystal, you're going to have to make sure after you program it and did all the steps that I told you guys to do, you're going to have to make sure that you really is working with the crystal, whether that's with meditation, whether that's with taking it with you everywhere, whether you're sleeping with it every night. Just make sure you always have this crystal near, because it's not going to start to work automatically if you're not putting in the effort. If you create a connection with the crystal, bam, you're going to start to see results. And I have so much proof on certain crystals that I personally worked with that I seen the results with after some time working with them. So if this video helped you, please like and leave a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions or any crystals that you would want me to sit here and touch base on. So guys, leave a comment below what other videos or spiritual videos you would love me to see. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.